Hi, today I have a challenge log for you guys. This time it's a challenge log by Matt's lockpick. Sorry, I think it's Matt's lockpit. As far as I can remember, it's a fantastic channel. Please check it out. It's 008 Reincarnation, mummified he, and this one was sent to me by Obijanje Brave, thank you very much for sending it to me. And I'll try to pick it. It looks like a crappy lock, very beaten, but it's a challenge lock usually. They're very tricky and very interesting. So I don't know, clockwise and standard forest diamond. So yeah, let's start picking. Nope. Wait, I did not show. I think there is, there is MLP 008 and nothing on this side. Come on, focus. Why this is not want to focus? Here it is. So yeah, no markings on the lock. So let's start picking this one, hopefully. Come on, focus. Yes. So first one, oh, it's very, I need to show you this. This is a very probably short pin, and I can see the driver. So, but I did not count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a 5 pin probably. So yeah, let's start with the picking. So first one, it's binding, so I need to remove a tension. Click small, another click, and a big one. So I think it's set. 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 it's binding. 5 small click. So let's check 1. Now 2 is binding. 1 small click. It's still counter rotation, and I drop pin 1. Again click on pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's binding. 4 or 5. Click from, I think this is 5. Sorry. Click from 1 again. Small turn on core. 2, 4. Couple of clicks from 4. Again click from 4. I think now 4 is set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing. 1 fill set. 2 fill set. 3 nothing. 4, 5 nothing. Did I overset something? That's usually a possibility with the challenge locks. Oh wow, this is very, I think it's so bad. Sorry for that. What was that? That was a pin 3, or I overset something. I felt like a couple of clicks. Yeah, that's a 3, 4. Very interesting. It feels like a very crappy lock, to be honest. Like I'm picking something that it's like a Chinese one, but on top of that security pins, and everything feels like a 5 nothing. I'm testing now the pins. So, oh, it was 1. No, big false set. So now it's 3. Yeah, it's 3 now. Yes, and we're open. Oh, very interesting one. I think that the first pin is very tricky one. I'm not going to how it's called. I'm not going to lock it just in case, but I have the key. So yeah, probably I will lock it. So let's unmummify this one. A very interesting one. First, it's a very short and it's serrated, in my opinion. Can I just off I need a knife. The third one is 100% spool and very deep one, and I mean very short one. So here is the key. So 1 2 3 4 5, yes, as I mentioned. What is this in the end? Very strange point in the end. Interesting. The third one, as I said, is very short and the first one is very short. So let me lock it. Yeah, it's working. It's catching a bit, but it's a challenge lock, so it's perfectly normal. So let me put the key here and let's disassemble this one. As I mentioned, only I think three is a spool probably, but 4 probably it's a, come on, 4 it's a spool. Very hard spring, very C-clip, not spring. Unbelievable. Still it's not. There it is. So let's do this one. Pins are going to be on that side like this. Shim shim shim. Here's my follower. Here's some shim. Oops, don't go out. It's a challenge lock. Of course I need to shim it. Yes. As I said, 5-pin lock. 1 serrated, 2 spool serrated, 3 standard, 4 serrated, 5 interesting spool serration. Let's check the. So there is some kind of like a standard serration lip. You can see that, hopefully. Interesting. Maybe that was giving me a hard time. Everything else looks normal. Now let me arrange the pins. Yeah, good. So let's start. Oh wow. Yeah, this is the back, this is the front. Good. First one, as I mentioned, serrated. Here's the spring. Second one. Oh. So it's a two-part spring pin. Fantastic. Looks very interesting. Come on. Here's the spring. Fantastic pins. The third one, it's like a, I don't know, it's like a something interesting. Yeah, go away. Fantastic spins. Fifth one, I did not get the spring. No, all the springs are. It's a fantastic serrated slash spool spring. And the last one, it's as I said, it's a very deep spool. No, it was a, no, I did not know that this is a spool. Fantastic pins. Body, I think nothing is done. Yeah, everything feels standard. Yeah, all standard ones. So let me show you the pins close up. they're fantastic pins. So first key pin is a serrated one, second one is a spool and serrated, third one is a standard, fourth one is all serrated, pretty nice serration, the fifth one is a spool and one serration. First driver is a all serrated, very nice one, and a reduced diameter on the top. The second one is two-part, like a spool serrated, there is a couple of serrations, very interesting one. The third one it's like a double spool, and then this is like a shallow spool, not spoon. The fourth one is a spool and serrated, and serrated and spool. Very, very, very cool pins by Matt's Lockpit. Matt Lockpit, thank you very much for pinning this one. Obienie Brave, thank you very much for sending it to me. Guys, please check both channels. I will put links somewhere. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.